When it comes to outdoor adventures, having the best camping hot water heater can make all the difference in comfort and convenience. Whether you're enjoying a warm shower after a long hike or heating water for cooking, the right portable water heater ensures you never have to sacrifice essential comforts. Let's dive into the video. Number 1. CAMPLUX Tankless Water Heater. The CAMPLUX Tankless Water Heater combines portability, efficiency, and innovative design, making it one of the best camping hot water heaters for outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing only 10 pounds, its lightweight and compact build with a folding handle makes it easy to transport and install anywhere outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or enjoying an RV trip, setting up this water heater is a breeze, taking just 10 minutes to get ready. Its capability to deliver 1.32 gallons per minute (GPM) with a temperature range of 46.4 to 114.8 ensures you enjoy warm water when you need it most, even in off-grid locations. This propane-powered water heater operates efficiently with minimal water pressure, starting as low as 3.0 psi, and uses 2 D-cell batteries for ignition. It's ideal for remote areas, providing reliable hot water for outdoor showers and cooking. Safety is a top priority with the CAMPLUX, which is certified and equipped with 6-in-1 protection, including anti-freezing, overheating, dry combustion, and flame failure safeguards. This ensures safe and smooth operation in all conditions. The package includes all essential accessories, such as a premium showerhead, gas regulator, and garden hose, simplifying the setup process. Number 2. Lakkzoom Immersion Water Heater. The Lakkzoom Immersion Water Heater is an efficient and versatile solution for quickly heating water in small containers, perfect for camping, road trips, or home emergencies. This UL-certified heater prioritizes safety with its stainless steel protective cover, which prevents direct contact with heating elements and ensures durability and rust resistance. With its intelligent temperature control, the heater automatically shuts off when the water temperature reaches 165-75, preventing overheating and adding peace of mind during use. Offering 1500 W of power, this immersion heater can heat up to 5 gallons of water in just minutes. Its thoughtful design allows water to flow through the perforated cover, enhancing heat dissipation and speeding up the heating process. However, for safe usage, the heater must always remain fully submerged in water, and it's recommended not to use it for more than an hour at a time. For larger water quantities, multiple heaters can be used simultaneously, but never on the same outlet, as it could cause a fire hazard. Designed for portability and convenience, this lightweight heater is perfect for buckets, sinks, portable tubs, and mini pools. It even includes an LCD thermometer to help monitor water temperature. Number 3. GASLAND Tankless Water Heater. The GASLAND Tankless Water Heater is a powerful and efficient solution for outdoor enthusiasts, offering an impressive flow rate of 1.58 GPM and a maximum output of 41,000 BTU/hour. This propane water heater ensures a consistent supply of hot water, with a temperature range between 55.4 and 109.4. Whether you're showering, washing pets, or cleaning your RV, this heater delivers reliable performance with minimal water pressure, requiring just 3.6 psi to operate. Designed for off-the-grid scenarios, the GASLAND water heater runs on a standard 20 lb propane tank and features an electronic ignition powered by 2 D-cell batteries. This makes it perfect for camping, hunting, RV trips, or even off-grid cabins. Its CSA-certified safety system ensures peace of mind, offering protections against overheating, dry combustion, freezing, high water pressure, and flame failure. These advanced features make it both reliable and safe for outdoor use. Convenience is enhanced with a bright LED digital display that allows users to monitor water temperature easily, preventing water from becoming too hot or cold. Its lightweight and compact design makes it highly portable and easy to install, accommodating various outdoor needs. With its combination of power, safety, and versatility, The GASLAND tankless water heater is an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable water heating solution during their adventures. Number 4. TOPWISH tankless water heater. The TOPWISH tankless water heater offers on-demand hot water with a maximum power output of 39,000 BTU per hour, ensuring instant and endless hot water no matter where you are. This propane-powered water heater is perfect for outdoor activities like camping, RVing, and hiking, as it requires no preheating. With a low water pressure startup of just 3 psi, it delivers a steady flow rate of 1.45 GPM, allowing you to adjust heat and water flow for a customized experience. Safety and durability are key features of the TOPWISH water heater. It is CSA certified, meeting Canadian and American safety standards, and is equipped with multiple protection systems, including overheating prevention, dry combustion, high water pressure, and flame failure safeguards. Its IPX5 waterproof casing is designed to withstand outdoor elements, making it a reliable choice for rugged environments. The water heater includes a user-friendly LED temperature display, which ensures precise temperature control and prevents scalding. Additionally, the included 3-mode shower head lets users enjoy a relaxing and versatile shower experience, whether they're camping or washing pets. With its lightweight and portable design, the TOPWISH tankless water heater is an excellent companion for outdoor adventures, providing comfort and convenience whenever hot water is needed. Number 5. GASLAND water heater. The GASLAND tankless water heater stands out as a reliable and high-performing outdoor water heating solution. It delivers a flow rate of 1.58 GPM with a maximum power output of 41,000 BTU/hour, ensuring a consistent supply of hot water for showers, cleaning, or cooking. Designed to operate under low water pressure, as little as 3.6 psi, it is ideal for camping, RV trips, and off-grid living. This propane-powered water heater uses a standard 20 lb tank and features an electronic ignition powered by 2 D-cell batteries, making it perfect for off-the-grid scenarios. Its advanced safety protection system, certified by CSA, includes overheating, high water pressure, dry combustion, and flame failure safeguards, ensuring safe and efficient operation in any environment. The GASLAND tankless water heater also features a bright LED digital temperature display, allowing users to monitor and adjust the water temperature effortlessly. Its portable and lightweight design makes installation quick and easy. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.